Hello, I'm Jack Azark, and today I am at a different location today because thanks to someone I know, I've come to Cosgrove Hall where there are some abandoned houses. Now I've got to be careful because there's a house over there that's still lived in, and there probably is someone on site, so I need to be careful. But basically I'm just going to go round circles. You can see we've got this house here, barns over there, and then the main burnt one there, so we're going to get going. Also, if you enjoy and want more videos, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and hit the notification button to keep updated on future videos. So yeah, let's get going. Right, what's in, let's see, if we go here, up, there we are, we have that, and then we have the old garden houses. So, right, yeah, I'm trying to be a little bit more steady with my camera, because I know last video it was flipping wonky as hell, but... So, yeah, let's go over here. Yeah. Oh, you know, an animal. Yeah, alright, so that leads to those barns over there. So I'll explore these houses. I'll explore this one here, and then that one over there, and then we'll come back around. Like I said, since someone's already probably here, I'm not going to be able to go all the whole place, but I've taken a quick look around and I've seen a lot of interesting things. So yeah, let's go. Nice broken window. So, this is the first house. Got all that stuff. Still a lot of stuff left in here, like high vis. Not cooking in that anytime soon. And old videotapes. Okay, let's see. Doctor Who. Let me know which Doctor Who that is. Let's see. We've got another Doctor Who there. A Doctor Who radio collection. Damn, Planet of Evil. The Android Indian. Oh. Yeah, whoever here must have been a big fan of Doctor Who. Some old gloves. Right, alright, so see you've got the old, got an old dollhouse, or actually there's more child's kitchen set up. Oh, looks like it's hit clock. Don't know which one, probably 3 o'clock. Alright. It's a bit dark, so yeah. Let's see. Oh, a treadmill. Damn. Why does it still work? Rabbit icon for speed. Turtle for slow. Oh, the rabbit has the hair. I wonder if, don't know if it still works. Doubt it. So it looks like whoever there was a gym mate. Oh my. Ooh. That's a different colour Coca-Cola can I've not seen before. Anyone even know what that is, let me know. Got like a Red Bull. Some more burn up cigs. Paintings. Tablets. Oh, empty box. Oh. Lauren Hill. Big dance. Oh. Now 46. That is old. Digital camera. Shoot. Windowsill with shoes on it. think someone lived here in like the night. I mean, I don't know how long the place was abandoned, but it must have been recent. 3 AM chill out. I'll do the darkened areas with night vision on in a minute. Let's take a look at wardrobe. Wait, oh damn. Glen Hall. Damn. Oh, look at. See, got an old. So that's the inside of an old TV or TV plus cassette. Paperwork. Oh. What random shit. Got night vision on, so now we can see a little bit better in the dark areas. So, let's use some old knitting. Oh, Eeyore and the Piglet. So, this must have been this is the kitchen. Oh my goodness. There is actually food in the... Ugh. Still some moldy cheese in there. Right. Ah, this is it. So as you can see, this is the living room. And I think that's... Oh, a Jenga. More playing cards. What the hell is that? An old TV. Right, I'm hearing footsteps on my roof. It's probably like a bird or something. Yeah, I haven't got a torch right now, so I can't see what I'm doing in there, so I need to rely on the night vision. Ooh, careful. Oh, wine bottles. There was an alcoholic here. There's the living room. This is the bathroom. Ew. What is that? There's an old VHS tape in the toilet. Oh my goodness, that thing must have been dance shit if it's in there. Let's see if I can get through here. There we go. Got a manky old bath. Let's see. Ooh. Thank you, night vision. We run into a cobweb. So that's the main house. So now we're gonna go and check out the burnt place. Well, the old place, so let's see. I would think of climbing through the window, but probably not a good idea. Lots of my fat ass won't fit through it. This is just some old garage, but I don't know if there's going to be anything in here. No. Oh, newspaper. Police. Right. February 2009. Oh. Okay. That was over 10 years ago. Alright, I want to check out the burnt place first. Yep, so here we are. You can see it. Alright, so that's the entrance I'm going to get in, but let's take a look. Hopefully there's not too much dark places because my camera battery ain't too lasting with night vision. Because night vision, as you know, takes up too much battery power on my camera. So, because dumbass me forgot to charge the darn thing. And, okay, no, that's no entrance. That's no entrance. I guess the only entrance is through the tyres. Mike. Wow, that's a massive kitchen. Yep. Styrofoam, itchy stuff. Where's the fridge? Because I found some old manky food in that fridge. I wonder if there's any here. This is really cool. Okay, so we're out the burnt house that burnt down. The other one was abandoned. So now let's see if we see what's through here. Oh, pool. Let's see if it's. See the pool. Manky as hell, but hey, what do you expect? And I think. Hold on. I think it's frozen over, so. Stupid fawn plants everywhere. Here we are. Right. I'm gonna get one of these. Let's take a look. That is ice. That is pure ice. Though, I don't know if it's worth... Actually, can we break it? Can we break the ice? Let's see. So I'm going to try and break the ice. Nope, that's solid as hell. I don't know if you want to swim in this thing, but so yeah. Honestly, if they clean this up, this could be a nice little swimming pool. Lucky fuckers whoever owns the darn things. I wouldn't mind a swimming pool. Sorry about that, I had to cut there quickly because there was some cobwebs on my microphone. It shouldn't affect the audio, so yeah. So now we're going to go full round and back into the first part of it, the big garden where the greenhouses were. And we're going to check out the last few buildings. So, as you can see, there's the greenhouses right there. So if we could just cut my arse through. Here we are. Yep. Yeah, and there's the back of the house that we were just in. But damn. So, from the Doctor Who I've seen in the VHS tapes, it makes me think like that was like 1960s, maybe maybe 1990s or something like that. But, What I'm trying to figure out is that block. So there was a newspaper from 2009. I don't know why this was there, so maybe it was recent. Like, see, if anyone has any idea on these Cosgrove Hall like places, like let me know, because I'm curious, like how old these places are. They don't seem that old. So you see, we've got the greenhouses right there. Obviously, no live plants because how any plant's going to live in this state. Yep. Burn house over there. Oh my goodness, a tractor tyre. Different kind this time. So we walk through here. Ah, yep, those are the buildings. Nothing in there. Probably more little animals. Here we go. More plant pots. Looks like this was the garden shed. I think that was a boiler right there. Here we are. I wonder if I see anything cool stuff. One idea is like, don't take, well, it's mainly for haunted locations, but do not take anything you find. Like that safe right there, I really want to take with me, but not going to do it because you don't know what, when it comes to haunted locations, you don't know what you're bringing back with you. And I think some people are there, so I might have to hurry this up with the recording, but yeah. Yeah, but as I was saying, like, don't take things from places that are haunted or that are abandoned just to be on the safe side, like, because you don't know what places could be haunted nowadays. So, yeah, I'm going to try and get in that way, but if not, I'll have to go over to those walls. That's the bad side about being flipping to my height. I'm flipping a tall person, you've got a duck under all these trees. Here we are, so I think I can... Nope, no chance. So we have to go to the broken wall. Yeah, you can see how it's been knocked down. There we are. Yeah, because you can see there are definitely like builders working on these places, so hopefully there's no one in here. Because that's the last thing I need is to get in trouble for trespassing. I mean, not really trespassing, like there's no signs, so... Nice little trench dug. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to get inside these buildings. No, this is where a lockpick would be coming so handy. Oh, recent brickwork. Gap's too big, mate. Come on, there's supposed to be 10 millimeters between each brick, not flipping 20. I used to do a bricklaying course, so I know all this stuff. And yeah, so not really much left for this. Yeah, so that's Cosgrove Hall, so that's pretty much it. There is a church there, but that's not part of it, so shame, but then you got some building here which looks like it's inhabited still, or somebody's still here, so can't explore that, but yeah. yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button to keep updated on future videos. And yeah, so let me know if you want to see any more of these, or if you know any other places that I could go visit. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.